Sio kwamba najigamba, mimi upika poa.
Nah.
Sio kwamba najigamba.
Nah.
Let me be very, very clear. The answer is hell no.
I use natural methods. I use natural methods. Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Pick and Rich. It's a channel where we cook the simplest meals with the simplest ingredients that you can find just outside your door. If this is your first time watching this video, tafadhali click on that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that every time we upload a new video, you'll always be the first person to be notified. Also like this video if you love what I do. By the way, if I usually bring happiness in your family, please like this video, encourage me, tell me Rich, Aki Rich, tunapenda videos zako, Aki Rich, I watch your videos, Aki Rich, I usually use your videos to cook. So guys, let me tell you something interesting about this recipe. Sipendi. I don't like it. I don't like it. Especially nikienda kwa wenyewe sikula. I don't. I think the only recipe that I eat from what I want to show you right now is when I've cooked it. I think that's the only time I usually eat it because I don't know. I think I just have a way of making it interesting. Unajua siwezi anza kuambia watu nataka kama mnapika hivi easy manze mpike venye mimi nataka. And I know most of you don't like it, but if you use this recipe, oh my god, you're going to love it. You will love it. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing to you white cabbages. Okay, white cabbages. How do you make your cabbage interesting? How do you make it interesting uko kwenyu? Ebu comment down below and tell me what you do to make your cabbages taste nice. Also tell me, do you eat cabbages? Do you love them? So guys, first things first, put in your oil. It's pretty much hot. Then put in your onions. Okay. Did I tell you guys Syria kupika food ni kitunguu? So, what's it? Ingredients kama introduce. So let me show you. Guys, this is the onion. Onion do inaendelea. The only thing I put there is oil and onion. Then here I have garlic. I have salt. I have turmeric, and I have beef cubes here, and of course we have our cabbages. Sour? Yes. So that's all. Imagine that's all I cook. That's all. Imagine. Another secret is guys, putting in a lot of onions, and onions make food taste so nice. Okay. With my cabbages as well, we don't cook the tomatoes, we don't cook the onion. Okay, so I prefer my onion halfly done, not fully done. Fully done is when it's brown, when it's browning. As for me, I don't like it that way with my cabbages. Okay, so I'm going to put in my garlic. I'm very generous with my garlic. With garlic and onion, very generous. Very generosity. I'm very generous. I have some fans, by the way, who have been complaining from diaspora. Wanasema, please use. I love watching your videos, but you're speaking Swahili. I don't understand, and I follow your recipe. I don't know how. I think they just follow the recipes with their eyes. But guys, I'm trying. I'm really trying to do these recipes in English.
Are you sure?
Forgive me if a Kiswahili word passes. I'm sorry, or a Kikuyu word passes like this. Aki, forgive me. Okay, but I'll make sure I'll use a lot of English.
Are you sure?
Yeah, actually I want to improve my English, so I think I'll be speaking English, a lot of English.
Lying will ruin your life. Lying will ruin your goddamn life.
I don't know what you're talking. Are you someone of Swahili?
So I've just put in onions and my garlic and some and of course oil, onion, garlic. Then at this stage I am going to put in the salt. Okay, I usually don't have anything to measure. I usually measure with my eyes. I use natural methods. Also guys, remember, cabbages really love lots of oil, not like exaggerated oil, but just make sure your oil is enough for your cabbages. Yeah, cabbages have a tendency of kukunywa mafuta.
You say?
Drinking oil.
Hey!
Just put enough oil when cooking cabbages. Okay? Yeah. So guys, I have turmeric and I have beef cubes. Now, why turmeric? Because I want my cabbages to be yellow. If you don't want to use turmeric, you can use cabbage. You can use carrots, okay? You can use carrots if you don't want to use turmeric, but I prefer turmeric because it looks kind of weird for you to eat ugali and carrots and cabbage. Especially if you're eating cabbages with ugali. It will look weird when your cabbages have carrots. When your cabbages have turmeric, it won't look weird. You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it. So, put in my turmeric, okay, to give the cabbages a nice color. Okay, to give the cabbages a nice color, the appetizing color. Okay. There you go. Then guys, let me give you a secret. We have so many people who usually wash cabbages then put like immediately. Guys, secret. Wash your cabbages as early as you can. Let the water drain by itself. Then the cabbages will be dry and you won't have to be left with water in your cabbages. You know when you cook cabbages sometimes inachawana maji. Guys, that is what we avoid in cabbages because they're kind of yucky. Guys, wash your cabbages early. Just leave them in a container, let the water drain by itself and let it dry. You see? Dry. Tell me why you won't eat such cabbages with such an amazing color. Tell me why. Tell me why you won't eat these cabbages. Tell me why. I want it that way. Yeah, because I don't get it. Guys, I don't understand. But guys, I beg, if you come to my house, eat my cabbages because why not? Sio kwamba najigamba, nimepika poa.
Nah.
Sio kwamba najigamba.
Nah.
Let me be very, very clear. The answer is hell no.
Guys, this is what I want you to see. I told you, and I've told you, and I'll repeat this. If you let your cabbages dry after washing them, come and see what happens. This is what happens. See? This is what happens. And something else. Don't put cabbages in the fridge. You'll cook your cabbages and
it's getting tensions now.
Jesus Christ.
You want dry cabbages? Rather, I prefer dry cabbages like this. And I don't overcook my cabbages. So we make them nicely. Yes, so you guys, my guys, in less than 10 minutes, your cabbages are ready. Like that. Just like that. Now tell me why you wouldn't eat these cabbages. So, just like I said, I love my cabbages not well cooked. Guys. Guys, we are done with our recipe. Try it out and tell me what you think about it in our next video. Okay?
Simplest ingredients.